Cardamom bread or pulla Finnish is a type of bread flavored with cardamom. Usually baked as a loaf or in a bundt cake pan, this sweet, aromatic cake is sometimes topped with different things, and usually requires about 3 hours of preparation. When the dough has risen, it can be braided to make it more decorative and festive. Some variations are topping it with chopped walnuts and vanilla icing, raisins added to the dough, cinnamon rolls, butter and sugar buns called voisilmapulla, berry toppings and curd-filled buns called raakapulla. Cardamom-flavored bread and buns Finnish, pulla or nisu, Swedish, kardemumabröd, kardemumabullar are commonly eaten in Finland and Sweden. Cardamom bread is considered a traditional food among Swedish Americans. Cardamom buns are eaten along with coffee or tea. Cardamom is a spice used in several Nordic countries in cakes, cookies, and biscuits, including traditional Christmas pastries in the cuisine of Finland. Pulla. Pulla Finnish pronunciation, pul, Swedish buel or kanelbulla is a mildly sweet Finnish sweet roll or dessert bread flavored with crushed cardamom seeds and occasionally raisins or sliced almonds. Braid loaves are formed from 3 or more braided strands of dough. The braids may also be formed into a ring. These braided strands or rings are typically coated with egg wash and then sprinkled with white sugar or almonds. Other types of pulla include small round ones that resemble English scones but have a sugar and butter topping, and larger cinnamon rolls called korvapusti. The outside typically has a shiny brown glaze, formed by a coating of egg white, milk or a mixture of sugar and brewed coffee. In some regions of Finland there are 2 different variations of pulla, dark roast and pale kalpi is baked in the oven until the sugar is darkened and melted. Kalpi is baked in the oven only for a short period of time, leaving the dough only lightly darkened. Pitko is typically served in thin slices with coffee or at special occasions. Regular small pulla is served as a whole. Serving pulla with coffee is a very common practice in Finland. Pulla is also common in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan and northern Ontario, areas in the United States and Canada which have large Finnish populations. There it is also commonly known as nisu, an old Finnish word still in use with the same meaning in some dialects, despite originally simply meaning wheat. Korpu is used instead to refer to a biscotti-like double-baked bread stick for dunking in coffee that is often made from leftover nisu. See also: cinnamon roll, Sareki, Challah, Bajeli.